Order filled.
Il solde.
Like, bro didn't even say to sell yet. He just sold.
Bumpy.
If I can't get a read on where the draw is, bro, that's when I shouldn't be trading at all. And I got 3 shots right here. So today, I took that shot. Yo! What's good? It's your bro, Lo, and I'm bringing you guys another saucy traded video. Yeah! You know what I'm saying? But yeah, what's good, y'all? You feel me? Hey, it's been a minute since that depressing ass video. You feel me? I ain't been taking no trade. I took a trade today. First trade of the week. You feel me? Let me go ahead and show you guys. So boom, here's the you know what I'm saying? It was a break even. It was a break even. This was the trade. It's not showing it because I gotta go to NYM and I'll show you guys the entries and shit. So like boom. So here's the entry right here, and here's the break even. But I'm working on a new account, y'all. Since I blew the 300K, you feel me? I got a new account. My man Schmido hooked me up with this Lightning funded 50K account from Tradeify, so that it's already funded. You feel me? So shout out Schmido. You feel me? So I could trade this account. I have to grow it to like a minimum of $3,000 before I can even request a payout. But I'm most likely gonna keep building, even when I get to 3,000, keep building it up, try to get a huge buffer, and then, you know, start withdrawing shit. But yeah, I'm working on this account. You feel me? See how I do with this account. You know what I mean? And that's what I took the trade on today. And, you know, break even trade, -$3. You know what I mean? But I thought YM was gonna run up a lot more than US 30 and ES. So if you look at US 30 and ES, let's do a little bit of a breakdown of what I was thinking. Right, so looking at the daily chart, all I was looking for price to do was shoot up to the previous weekly high and the weekly open price, right? Because we were already in that current new week opening gap. But yeah, I was just looking for that weekly high, previous weekly, the weekly open. You know what I mean? So this was the PDA rate I was looking at for ES and NASDAQ. Basically, this 30-minute fair value gap. So if you go look at NASDAQ, same. Well, actually, NASDAQ dropped a lot lower and hit a new day opening gap. But yeah, I was looking at for this 30-minute. But as it was dropping lower, right, I'm bullish. Like, even though it's dropping this far, I'm still bullish, right? And I seen this start to have a change in the state of delivery after we closed through this 942 fair value gap. So while that was happening, I was trying to buy YM right here at the same time, and I got in here when price dropped to that fair value gap right here at 10 o'clock. So let me show you. So this is how YM looked though. And this is the reason why I bought YM, is because NASDAQ and ES was dropping lower, right? And it was constantly dropping lower, but YM wasn't. It was expanding higher. So I'm thinking like, okay, this could be a lot stronger than the other indices. So I ended up buying here because, like, look at it, bro. Like, you know what I mean? Like, as this was dropping, as this reverting, YM was already expanding higher. So I'm thinking, okay, NASDAQ is going to run to the previous, not the previous daily high, but this high right here, which is Friday's high, right? Run above Monday's high, right? Same shit, right? Run above Monday's high. Same thing with ES. I'm thinking, okay, run above Monday's high and that previous weekly high. But it's so far, but YM is already expanding. So I'm thinking YM is reaching up to Monday's high. Right, the Monday high on YM. So this is Monday's high here, and this weekly open. So when looking at this, right, that's how it was looking. We expanded through this hourly fair value gap as well, right? This hourly fair value gap, after it was used, came down into a 15-minute fair value. Well, not a 15-minute fair value gap, but it should hold these highs, right? Going into the 5-minute, you have a 5-minute here. This should stay open. That's what I was thinking, right? I was thinking that price was going to get up to that weekly open, that current new week opening gap with ease. But yeah, it didn't go that way. It took me out right here at break even because I started moving my stops as we started running up above. We couldn't get above this high. So I moved my stop right under this low. And by the time it hit like almost 11:45, 11:50, 12 o'clock, I just went ahead and moved my stops at break even just to take the break even. You feel me? And walk out of a most likely low probable Wednesday of me probably getting hit out, and then save my shots for tomorrow and Friday. You feel me? But yeah, right now, man, my mindset is straight. Like it's good to go. You feel me? I learned from that past blow up. You know what I mean? Like and how I could have avoided that day. You know what I mean? Like every trader is gonna have days where it's gonna be a lot of things just hitting them at once, and it's emotional, and you feel me? And sometimes you lose a lot, you lose control. You know what I mean? But the best traders are the ones that are able to recognize that before they blow up. Recognize they're about to blow up before they blow up. You feel me? To where they can avoid it and be like, okay, no, I'm not gonna take this next step because that's my boundary. Now my boundary is if certain things, multiple things are happening at once. Like if my power is going out while I'm trading, or if I just took a loss and my power is going out while I'm trying to make another decision. That's when I shouldn't be trading anymore. I should just stop. You feel me? Because that could trigger. Or if something's going on in the house, if I'm having problems, if I'm having issues with my fiance, and she might be you know what I'm saying, on that cycle. You know what I'm saying? And you know it might be tension. You know what I mean? I should not be trading or trying to make another decision. You feel me? So that's why I'm a step away from. No, it's not. It's not. Even though I went on a losing streak too, there was trades that I took that I shouldn't have taken because emotionally, you feel me? Shit it might be happening that day. You feel me? I might look for a decision and I'm trying to make money. So even with that losing streak that I took, it shouldn't have been a instead of a 5-6 trade losing streak, it should have been more of like a 3-4. Because there's certain days that I could have avoided. I probably could have avoided those losses too because I was getting the draw wrong. So I went back through all my journal and shit, and I looked back and just looked at how I was over analyzing instead of strictly sticking to what's simple for me, right? And that's it's either going to previous daily high or previous daily low. You know what I mean? And what's higher than that previous daily high. So if I'm trying to get into that daily candle, I want to get in at an efficient price, midnight open price around there. So I need to wait for shit to happen towards that draw. But what I was doing was after I wouldn't wait for the signs to show me that it's going up to that previous daily high or previous weekly high. So say if like price was like down here, I might be trying to buy. I might be trying to buy when order flow isn't showing me that it's bullish yet. Like I'm trying to buy before it even gets above here. You know what I mean? Where if it can't even get through this, let's say this 3-minute fair value gap right here, right? If it can't even get through that, why am I trying to buy this now? Right? Like right here. If why would I try to buy this? You know what I mean? Just for it to keep going lower and then maybe go to the new some type of discount fair value gap because this week might be weird until the high impact news come out. You know what I mean? Type shit. But you know, me waiting for this to happen, right? I should have bought this today instead of YM. I was just thinking YM was gonna be the best one out of all of them. You know what I mean? The best leader out of all of them. But yeah, after it gets through here, fair value gap maybe somewhere in here. That's when I want to buy. But the whole time I really didn't like the price section on on this buy. Yeah, you had this FEG in here, but all of this was just weird and nasty and weird. Maybe I would have probably bought here, I guess, because that's the first FEG that looks very clean compared to this run higher. You know what I mean? Maybe I could have bought there. I don't know, but I like the YM trade that I took. I liked it. You know what I mean? But yeah, instead of me waiting on, okay, what is it most likely to go for? The weekly open, current weekly open, maybe get to this current previous weekly high today. I mean, there's not much high impact news today, so that was asking for a lot. I was just asking for the weekly open or like somewhere up here. You know what I mean? But it's a lot easier when I'm seeing displacement through certain FEGs, through, you know what I mean, and take those easy trades towards that drawn liquidity when I was trying to fade it. And when I don't have a draw, I need to just be able to sit on my hands. So yeah, I have been cutting down my trade. I'm trying to cut down my trade frequency. That's why I haven't traded since today. Skipped out on Monday. I'm skipping Mondays now. Tuesday might be a good day depending on the news. You feel me? Depending on if there's CPI that week, I might avoid the whole week until CPI drop. You feel me? Or really cut my wrists and really sit on my hands. You know what I mean? And expect for it to be range bound. I'm talking a lot, but like I'm trying to break down like what I'm planning right now, like how I'm planning to trade. So and get back to consistently taking consistent setups and being disciplined on sitting on my hands, because that's the key, bro. It's really not strategy. It's mainly just sticking to the process, your process, right? And let your rules keep you out of trades when the trades aren't there. You feel me? So that's when you sit on your hands. You feel me? And I just strictly need to stick with that. Stick to the draw. If I can't get a read on where the draw is, bro, that's when I shouldn't be trading at all, bro. Like, look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit. Look, this is I got a whiteboard too. You feel me? Just so I could keep my mindset. But like, look how simple it is. You feel me? Draw, clear order flow after I get my draw and then entry is the same. It's the same shit. You feel me? Type shit. But that's how clear it needs to be. If I don't have that draw, that monthly, weekly high, daily high draw, I need to sit on my hands. And I got 3 shots right here. So today I took that shot. You feel me? I took that shot. So I'm gonna mark that off right here. So I got 3 shots, bruh, that I'm taking. So that way I'm sticking to high probability setups instead of like try to trade every day. Because I ended up, after I started getting payouts, bruh, I ended up being kind of looking for trades every day, when every day isn't really a trading day. Well, I shouldn't even be looking for trades certain days. You feel me? Because it's most likely going to be low probable. But yeah, I'm going to mark that out. Boom. You know what I'm saying? Mark that out. I could erase it. I just put an X on it. Or I could draw it in type shit. You know what I mean? I don't know if y'all see that. But yeah, so that's the first shot. I got 2 shots left, so I'm basically saving those shots for either tomorrow or Friday. You know what I mean? 2 to 3 good setups a week for me, bro. That's all I'm looking for. And then scale into my trades. I'm not scaling in now. I'm only taking 1 trade. I'm risking $200 per trade because I have a $2,000 drawdown with this Tradeify account. Right? So I have a $2,000 drawdown. Daily loss limit, you feel me, that's $1,250, but yeah, $2,000 drawdown. So I basically have 10 shots, you feel me, before I could. So I'm only looking for the best opportunities, and then once I get it to a good buffer, you feel me, at least like $4,000, I grow it to $4,000, then I'm gonna start doing scalings and shit. 200, sometimes risk 200 to make like 800 on 1 trade, you feel me, because I'm scaling in. You know what I mean? But yeah, man, that's the plan. That's what I'm focused on doing. Break even. Yeah, my process and everything, me entering the trade and shit or whatever, it's all my emotions are completely it's straight now. You feel me? Is good. You feel me? I learned my lesson from blowing my account, from blowing that, and that shit hurt so bad. That was the one that hurt the most. You know what I mean? But yeah, that's my plan. But psychology wise, bruh, everything according to plan. I know what I have to do, bruh. It's not the strategy. It's never the strategy, y'all. Most of the time, it's never the strategy. It's just we blow up before we even get to see how good the strategy works. And even crawling out a drawdown, bruh, I should be able to just crawl out a drawdown instead of blowing up, which I know how to do. It's just me blowing up that day. But I just need to avoid those blowups, and that's discipline and that's being emotionally aware that, okay, I'm feeling like this, and this is all of this is happening. This is why I need to stop and close out my chart. But yeah, let's do a reaction video. You feel me? I've been watching this one dude. I love his content. I love how it is. Let me see if he pops up. So right here, look, my name is Stop Loss Man. Do more. Look at the thumbnail. So let's watch him. I'm gonna give y'all a quick little rundown, a quick little character development about this man. He basically did a lot of Mamba. He takes live signals from Mamba FX. You feel me? And since he's taking those live signals from Mamba FX, he just decided to record them and see how Mamba FX do. Basically, Mamba FX was straight dookie cheeks. He would lie about his stop loss placement and when he would get out and when he would enter and try to act like he was already in the trade. And it's just not lining up with the signals that he's taking. You feel me? Like the take profit that he's hitting, Mamba FX already hit that take profit, or when he's getting hit out at break even type shit. Just random shit. You feel me? But yeah, basically he's taking live signals from somebody else now. This is my first time watching this video right here, so we reacted to this video together. Let's get started. You feel me? Hold on, let me get the headphones.
Order filled.
Isolde, Vampy.
Wow, bro. See, like he got the memes all over and everything.
Same thing for here, since this is the 9:30 a.m. high. I'm actually taking it on the unlucky accounts today, usually, which is My Fun of Futures Apex. So
Unlucky account, you said.
Are you sure about that?
all right, we've taken that high potential reversing. Oh, done for the day. Never mind. There's 20 points. Didn't even get
Wait,
my
he a
fucking that
TP?
high potential. My Fun of
Oh, yeah,
Futures.
he a
Oh,
TP.
done for the day. Never mind. There's 20 points. Didn't even get my fucking.
How's your days going, guys?
Cooked.
How many trades you did?
I did, I don't know, maybe 6, 7.
6, 7.
6, 7?
6, 7?
Yeah.
I have no setups and I just lost. Like, what else? Lose more?
You can gamble.
You're goddamn right.
No, gamble for me is
Stop loss
haram.
problem.
Yes,
Stop
sir.
Gambling is haram.
But gambling without stop loss, without problems. That's our mindset.
Lost, no problem.
From Worker to Trader, day number 55, and trading with Riley in his private Discord channel, day number 3. I don't know why, but I fall asleep at 4 a.m. something around because I edited this video, and I'm still feel nice. I don't know why, but anyway, let's go. Why we are quiet?
I'm gonna put this on the screen so we can see it. Nearest 15-minute high.
But yeah, he's just taking bro signals. You feel me? This is a really good ass idea. I'm not gonna lie.
Anyway, to this 15-minute candle. Everyone helping each other out, sending the settings. Without partials, yeah, 20 by 20 could be usually pretty good. I only do the partials to keep the win rate high. If you do the 10-point partial, like you take out half your position, then move it break even. If you just have like 2 of those a day, where obviously a setup like this is going to present, 2-3 times a day anyway, you can actually stack 20 points. Just
Makes
stack it by partialing on break even. So
Did you see
it's a
this?
little hit and miss.
Where's
but
my mark?
It's all based on
So this is from the market yesterday.
what you like to do. For me, because I'm trading bigger capital, I just go 10 points and I just put out break even now to secure the 10 points. The minus 10 also doesn't hurt, but yeah, this definitely looks bearish.
Bullish or bearish? Right.
I reckon this New York Open will fly today. I mean, that buy side's pretty close. We're pretty far
That
away
shit
from the sell
chopped
side
like
in London,
crazy.
but
Let's
we'll
go.
just fly up Open today. Yeah, that's a good sweep. If this flips now, it should just be bearish.
Yeah,
I'll
think
mark
so.
up 930 low. If it maintains high and goes straight to London high, flips past 930 low, then it goes bearish.
Let's go bearish.
As soon as it flips underneath that level,
He's ready to sell.
straight down to
wait.
there.
He's ready
Kinda
to click
break
it.
High, I think we just go straight to London high. Watch, we'll call it.
Order filled.
Il solde,
Like bro didn't even say to sell yet. He just sold.
pump it.
Wow.
This is where people mess up when they taking signals, bro. You take the same shit. You know what I mean? That the person is taking. People just be wanting to do their own shit. Like, but that's how you learn. Take what they're taking and then you learn from it instead of taking the same shit, taking random shit.
Same thing for here, since this is the 9:30 a.m. high. Same thing.
I didn't expect this, bro.
Before you will say you're a gambler, your father is gambler.
Oh,
Alright, that was unnecessary, but
shit! I can't talk. I gamble. I gamble sometimes. I need to stop this shit, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I did this trade because of the Monday fix
Gamble by tilting.
strategy, I guess, and I was feel like this, and yeah, maybe I should wait a little bit for the confirmation. Like I thought we will
Well, they put
just
subtitles
continue
in.
break levels to the downside after this impulse. I just didn't expect this fucking candle. Yeah, I mean, my bad anyway, but I'm doing this only in the evaluation account because I'm willing to risk more and I'm
Okay.
willing to take more trades. But still, it's not
But like you gotta. I ain't gonna
perfect
talk.
trade. Absolutely not. Yes, but it's not gambling. Or yes, or fuck you.
Nah, he had FOMO, and that's why he took it right there. He had FOMO.
It's kind of fun.
I'm just watching price action, but
Okay, so now
And he didn't even say he entered. Ryan didn't even say he entered. Riley, whatever his fucking name is. He didn't even say I'm entering now. He just took that shit. FOMO and then.
What are you watching on me? I mean, first thing first, it's a little bit fun. When I opened this trade and Riley, it seems like he was like, "What the fuck are you doing?" And he just stopped talking. That was fun. But I did this trade because after this huge movement, like 3 candles on the upper side, to the downside, and to the upper side, and we just hold this level on the top, and I decided to open my long position. It's bad trade. Not gonna lie, it's bad trade. And like, it's not just put your long position or short position. I saw that we hold this level. I knew that we have some targets that we want to target, and plus it looks like the Mamba fixed strategy. I mean, the zone of resistance we didn't break. Then
Bro, forget all about Mama FX's strategy, bro.
come back to the zone, and right now we want to break the zone, like typical breakout. But that's so fucking high risk trade. Like, I don't
Bro, forget Mamba FX dookie cheek ass strategy, bro.
like this bullshit. In my main account, I mean in my Express account, I will not do this. Or I will, but with the $200, not with the $800, because it doesn't make sense. With my strategy, I usually risk like $100, maximum like $200 in the family account. So yeah, looks pretty bad. Damn. Yeah, it's a little bit awkward to see the trades.
As long as we can maintain that high, this should visit London High today.
Give me my
Straight
money
off the
back.
open.
What the fuck am I doing even, bro?
Alright, he's
What a
looking to make his money
bullshit.
back.
I'm doing some bullshit.
That's what you're trying
I'm
to do.
gambler.
That's pretty true. That's pretty true. I mean, that's true.
Yeah, it's really gambler. I'm a gambler.
I'm Michael Jordan.
We might actually have an early setup. I don't know. I don't want to see it have an early setup. I want to just get to this London High as quick as possible. We'll mark at the level so we can know when to take our trades. There's an FEG above London Highs as well. Should be able to get that London now. Kind of trolling. Give it a sec. There you go.
Yeah, we didn't touch
As soon
my...
as
Hey, he's
it
still about to
cracks
hit
above a
TP though.
930 high or low, it's basically an easy read at that point. And we can see that we didn't crack below this. We didn't close.
Most
But we
likely.
did here. Easy.
Just a little bit of...
But
push,
Riley ain't take
easy.
nothing. He
easy
ta-
read.
Maybe tiny manipulation, but Asia
5
high still on the
points.
table. Pretty good. It's
5
not actually a
points.
prominent Asia high just because it's not actually a form of a swing high. I'm gonna mark up the sell side right here, 930 low. Looks really good. I'd love to see how price reacts around this gap.
Give my money back.
Bro,
Stupid
beatboxer?
decision. We will not go sub after this, or maybe.
Nah, it's over.
Push it, bro.
No, still pretty bullish.
That shit might. We already know it hit
As a Asia
TP.
high as a final target.
We already know it hit TP, bro.
2 points. Bro, 2 points.
Oh, he put his shit up higher.
Order filled.
Okay, he made extra 300
fuck
today.
am I
Should
doing?
still be bullish, but yeah, we'd love to try and come back down to these levels.
Nah, he made money.
It's lows, bro. We have a lot of targets and the lows. A lot of them.
Like if we hit the 1 minute, that's cool. But 30 second, obviously looking for entry because it's on the 1 minute time frame. Hit the gap. I want to look for a 1 minute continuation.
Makes sense. You're looking for a candle closure below this fair value gap. Am I right? We failed to break the Asian station high. I don't know even why.
40 seconds left with the 1 minute continuation. Yeah.
I mean, it's right there.
We're probably not gonna get that entry.
It's right there. It's most likely gonna tag that too.
So just straight up to Asia.
But it was low key choppy dookie cheeks yesterday.
In the video I said that we want to break this level and close below. I don't know even why, because it's just continuation model. This is fair value gap, we touch the fair value gap and we should close above this candle. That's all that we want. But this candle, you know, it's a little bit too big. So yeah, that's the reason why the Riley upset right now.
But actually, no.
On the 1 minute, do I use the same? Yeah.
What the fuck is going on even?
If we close above here, I'm gonna take a long.
I love this moment so fucking much when he just explained to you what he's looking for and why. You literally can have a perfect entry, like exactly like he's doing. And it's so
He glazing him because he went through Mamba FX hell taking his signals.
fucking good, bro. That's what I was missing in the Mamba FX strategy, because your entry with Mamba FX strategy always will be worse. Or maybe sometimes it's better, but anyway. And that's okay, because with the Mamba FX strategy, it's more discretionary. With Riley, what I really love, fucking English, bro. 15 times I record this video.
Yo, he in love with Riley. That's why he getting lost for words. Riley makes him lose his like mind. Like,
Yeah, never mind. So with the Riley strategy, I really love that we have straight rules. We're waiting for this. It's happened.
hey, I
You
love him
enter
too.
the
It's
trade?
just like how people be glazing ICT and love ICT. I love ICT. You know what I'm saying? So
That's all. You don't need anything else. And so fucking good, bro. I love that.
But if we don't, I'm gonna stay and wait for this 30 second to get smacked. Beautiful.
Really beautiful. That's a candle closure. Very beautiful candle closure. But not below this
Of
area.
course we inversed it. It just ruins that eye. Might jump in a sell actually. Let's go.
Order
You're
I'll
filled.
take
already
this
in this
930 low. I'm probably just gonna hold this.
You didn't see this, but in the Riley screen, he has like short position, but only thing that he said, like, it's let's go. It's kind of funny because before I said like, Riley always said what he's waiting for, but in this,
he's just not listening. He's just so impulsive to click the button instead of listening to Riley saying, "Okay, I'm about to get in now." Like, most okay. Like I need a disclaimer. If anybody uses anybody's signals, the person who's running the signals, they need to make a whole like a whole list of what they say when they're gonna enter a trade, or when to enter a trade, when not to enter a trade, what word they need to, like pineapples or some shit, to say that I'm entering a trade, so that way everybody knows to enter when I say pineapples. Like you need something, bro.
Example, that was inverse fair value gap.
Or
Exactly the same fair value.
because people like him don't listen, they just so impulsive to try to make money. They not listening to what the person is saying for the signal.
Gap as I was waiting for before. Like I told you, like we're waiting for candle close below this fair value gap. This happens and I was like, okay, I agree with this trade, so I opened my trade. Even when I wasn't sure that it was straight or no. Because the rally said, let's go.
This is an IPG play, it's not a fair value gap continuation. If you're taking only fair value gap continuations, just wait for a fair value gap continuation. If you take IPG trades as well, if you're pretty confident in them, then by all means, execute that at your finest. I'm gonna move that break even now.
Alrighty. Alright, let's see.
I'll either look to take profits at that level or the 20. I'm going to take profits.
Order filled.
You can hold to the 20, but I want to secure my bread.
That was a little bit misunderstanding.
Yeah.
I thought he said like I'm closing the portions, but he closed hold the position simply because of this level. And it's obviously for him, it's obviously for everybody, but my entry was a little bit worse. It impacts on me a little bit because I thought that I want to hold a little bit longer. Plus we have a lot of liquidity over here that I was waiting for.
I mean, it's
And
not bad
the
that he held,
decision,
but
not the best decision. Profit is profit, right?
I should close my position here. It's like
Well,
20 points, you know?
Guys, I don't know what to tell you. Timothy. I need to change my name to fuck it. Come on now. 930 low, had it marked on the screen. Come on, bro. London high reversal, IPG play. Staring that at the face. Oh my god, bro. What else do you want from me?
Order filled.
What else do you want from me? Running out of accounts to take W's on.
wait, is he about to FOMO into another?
Crazy. Alright, let's see if we can find a fucking fair value gap continuation, alright? Let's see if we can find one. See if we can find one. Oh, I am so tired today. Not even funny how tired I am.
A partials
Not
is
even
not,
funny.
it's not bad.
If I sound sleepy, it's because of that. But I do like that we swept opening range low and did give this inversion. What I'm going to do is we're obviously looking pretty bullish right now. We did have a 1 minute inversion. Obviously, you can just flip the script and probably just go Asia. I wish I kind of just flipped the script there. That would have been 20 again.
Yeah. No,
Yeah.
Because I'm not going to end.
Yeah, if he would have got in like right here after this, boom, after it took out some of those lows.
It's up here because I missed the original move and I don't want to just force it in case if I jump in that and it loses, you know how salty I'd be. If you're thinking long term here, you just need. Alright, now they're kind of taking Asia and London after delivery from that 930 low. I'll be honest, I'm still pretty bullish.
Wait, did he just randomly enter a trade, bro?
On the day.
I'm looking for a little bit of retracement over here. It's very nice level actually. Could be stop out. Almost instant stop loss, but it will be instant take profit.
Order filled.
Easy.
Lucky bastard.
And now I will explain you my
Somebody need to stop this man, bro.
strategy. It's completely discretionary, but it's strategy from the levels. From the levels to the levels. Always it's stop loss and take profit 10 points. Very rare situation that I will move my stop loss to break even because like it's 10 points. It's just like this. I can take a breakout of the level, even if it's fake out, 10 points, I'm done. I can take a retest. It always depends how I feel the price. That's how I feel the market. That's how I'm trade. I need a lot of experience on this, but I can't backtest this strategy.
So he thinking like discretionary, more discretionary type shit.
Experience on your eyes.
Very nice. Very nice. Looking
Anyways,
for some reaction from here.
We'll try and look for a new
Let's do it with the rally next one.
long.
The next one move will be with the rally. It will be with the 2 contracts. It will be risk with the $800.
I just kind of follow NQ. I don't really worry too much about S&Ts.
But I guess he told something.
Wait, did he set global risk settings? Oh, this is top. Okay, top step. Okay, lock risk settings for the day. So he locks it every time, or am I tripping?
I just kind of follow NQ.
I don't know how top step works.
But I guess he told something about yesterday about S&P 500.
Still pretty bearish right now. Still got bearish order flow. Like I said, let's see if this level holds.
If this is level hold.
Wait till it starts to form an uptrend again.
What the fuck is going on?
Let it sell. Whilst it's selling and creating this downtrend, it's delivering from this Asia high to whatever it wants to go. Wait till it starts to look like it wants to form an uptrend. Then you can take the continuation to the upside.
Touch it, bruh. Touch it. We need continuation model.
I won't take a fair value gap continuation unless we close above this level and close above this candle high at the same time. If we do that, if we close above this gap right now, I will long.
But we need to go down, no?
If we don't do it on this candle, I have to wait for a better setup.
Okay.
So it's not going to close.
But it's
So
closed
now
for
we've
the
got
downside.
a wick out of this.
You should be.
I love how Riley has how his process works, his rules. Well, that was a rule to like wait for this candle to close through this high and then this FEG right at the same time. So, and for him to take it, because that would be like a balanced price range. But his rule that kept him out. He said he will wait for a better setup if he didn't do that. That's what's up.
Wait, we didn't close below this one. Yeah, my
Thing
bad.
Ended up taking out the slow. Probably end up looking like it wants to display slower to the opening range low. Maybe even further today. This is way too far for a fair value gap continuation, so I'm not gonna take that. You see what else it grabs? Gunning for the sell side right now.
That was pretty nice bearish momentum over here. I thought about to open the trade, but I'm risking with $800. So if it was like $400, yeah. I mean, my bad. Anyway.
Ended up taking this 930 low here.
Order filled.
Yeah, looks
Wait,
like
did
we
he
want-
just take that?
Anyway.
Ended up taking this 930 low here.
Order filled.
Yeah, looks
Just
like
let
it
it
wants to
keep-
go down.
Doing what it wants to do. We'll do everything for it does everything
Nah, his stop is too tight. I don't think Riley even said to get in.
for a reason.
That's a bullshit candle closure right there. After this candle, we have pretty nice bearish momentum. Maybe I should be break even here because I mean that will be instant stop loss. Yeah, I was a little bit late. I should be in this candle,
Last target London low.
in and out in the
Order
one candle.
filled.
Yeah, my bad.
He don't know he's gambling. He don't know that he's gambling, bruh.
All right, go up.
Order filled.
Ah,
And then he entered the buy.
that's a bullshit
So
candle
in
closure.
inverses, this is where I'm gonna look for that like bullish structure change. But
He just need to realize he just need to get out at that point if he makes a mistake. You know what I'm saying? But he just need to listen to what Riley's saying. Only take his trades during the evaluation.
if you don't inverse it, then yeah, I'm not gonna take the inversion.
That's a
but I
bullshit
can't do
candle
it.
closure for my strategy.
Oh, so IPG to the upside. It's because I'm gonna use that as a confluence instead.
Oh yeah, sure. I saw this so many fucking times.
Damn, it just edged this shit.
Just because we could obviously just manipulate and go straight back to London low.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Order filled.
Now, if we never close back below this level, then that's good because then we
Yo, he low key a better trader than me. I ain't gonna lie. Hey, he hitting. I ain't gonna lie, but he's definitely gambling.
you won't come back to London low. If we can inverse that, then that goes higher for sure. All right, reminder, like I said,
Like you said, what?
we already had one win today. Should definitely be stopping. 1 minute IPG. We definitely.
Did he listen to that? If you have more than like one win today, you just need to stop, bro. He's positive 500.
Definitely bullish now, looking for a 30-second fair value gap continuation or a 1 minute fair value gap continuation. This IFG definitely means that we are very bullish and I'm very happy.
You're
to take
very
buys, at least this level.
And I'm very happy, but we could just bounce from the zone of support, I mean of the zone of resistance, and goes down.
Wow. By the way, I know it's a fair value gap continuation. This is a fair value gap continuation with a.
This looks like a good buy though.
It's not something I would take.
How this looks.
It's pretty nice for the Riley strategy. Now we should close.
But I don't know
above
all the
Close above
context
this
though.
Candle.
red box without sweeping this high. I love this long.
without sweeping this high, yeah.
Has to do it on this candle.
Ay.
Order
Yeah, I'm
filled.
long.
Got you, Riley. My fucking stop loss a little bit below, you say?
I'm actually taking it on the unlucky accounts today usually, which is my fund of futures Apex. So
Unlucky account, you said.
all right, we've taken that high potential reversing. Oh, done for the day. Never mind.
Hey,
It's 20
who-
points.
Big
Let me
dog.
get my fucking partial. Apparently. All right, I'm stopping there. That's 2 wins on the day.
Ooh.
Nah, that was W.
Bruh.
Imagine going from Mamba FX to a smart person who understands smart money and has a good process and tells you exactly what to like, what it's gonna do this and then that, and it works out to a new trader. That's like you're like God to him. No wonder why he's glazing him so hard.
Riley, what the hell are you doing?
Because he making him money, but at the same time, he could have made a lot more from all the trades that he took. I don't know, but bro, hey, look how much he's up though.
Day is going, guys.
Hey, look how much he's up though.
See how our
Hold on.
boy is doing. How's your?
Didn't even get my fucking partial. Apparently.
My
All right,
fault.
I'm stopping there. That's 2 wins on the day.
I want to see the P&L.
Bruh.
Look at the P&L. Boom. I mean, hey, 8 trades though. Shit.
You're Riley, what the?
But he need to just not be able to not just like click shit and just do shit. Just listen to Riley.
hell are you doing? That's 100% win rate right there. Let's see how our boy is doing. How's your days going, guys?
Hooked. I
I
was actually doing pretty nice, but I don't know if,
How many trades he did?
I don't know, maybe 6, 7.
Damn,
7.
60s. Why not
7?
69?
Yeah, yeah.
Why not 69? You know what I'm saying? Like,
7?
No, no,
Like, wait.
6 or 7. 6 or like
wait.
6 or 7 trades.
6,
Uh,
7?
mo-
Wait, it's
6,
6,
at
7?
that point, if I take 67 trades, I might as well take an extra 2, just to be funny.
Yeah, 6, 7.
6, 7?
Alright, looks like we're cooking here, boys.
I think he doesn't get it. I took a loss and I have no setups. That's it.
That's a true discipline right there.
What can you do, bro? I have no setups and I just lost. Like, what else? Lose more?
You can gamble.
You're goddamn right.
No,
Yeah,
gamble for me
The
is
stop loss
haram.
problem. The
Yes,
stop
sir.
gambling
Gambling is haram.
But gambling without stop loss, without problems. That's our mindset.
That's our mindset.
No, I'm dead.
Is the guys in the Disc guys.
Alright, hold on.
Profit count. It'd be nice day with you guys. Go and sleep a little bit. Before the fucking job day, that was pretty nice day with my own trades. Yeah, I know, but because of this account, it's combined, and right now I am already in the $1,700 profit, which is absolutely fucking insane. Maybe the next I will take only the Riley's trades. I was looking for pass this account a little bit faster than usual, and guys, it will be pretty nice thing that I will say right now. With the guys in the Discord channel, we discuss one interesting thing. What if I will blue my account and I will do the punishments from you? Sounds good.
Wait, what's the punishment?
So, I don't know what kind of punishments it will be. Maybe it won't be in the YouTube, you know.
Yeah, it's definitely going on like Pornhub or something. He about to get chain his ass up, all type. He talking about some freaky shit. I'm about to get off of here. Oh shit. But yeah, all right, that's it. If you guys enjoyed that video, oh wait, let me go. If you guys enjoyed that video, go ahead and smash that like button. If you're new to the channel, sub to the motherfucking channel. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'll catch y'all later. Peace.